water due to heavy rainfall from deforested hills has led to severe flooding in several villages of Imphal East District. Imphal-Ukhrul road has become immotorable, disrupting transportation and daily life for residents. Runoff from the northern hills near Imphal-Ukhrul, Shanti Khongbal and Sabungkhok Kuno has flowed into the Laimakong and Pawa rivers, causing flooding in villages including Imphal-Ukhrul, Shanti Khongbal, Sabungkhok Kuno, Sabungkhok, Sejang, Laimakong Mapal and Nongada. Moreover, waters from Ngakashi and Pawa rivers flowing from the northern side of Oksu have inundated Nongren Awang Laikai. Many houses have been submerged and agricultural fields have been left waterlogged, with crops damaged by mud and debris. Roads connecting Imphal-Ukhrul and Sabungkhok along the Imphal-Ukhrul route remain impassable, while Sejang village has also been cut off due to rising flood waters. The flooding has now extended to Naped Pali, Telo and Chana villages, affecting a large number of residents who are forced to move their belongings and seek safer areas.